This is the very same bike which was taken away by a mechanic and hidden in the dung. So finally this bike is done today, and it's been done 2 days back. What we have done is we've been doing some test drives. Today Ahmed Bhai is almost happy to go about his bike. He went for a very good long spin, and he's quite happy. uh, so he said that let's go and do it. So the bike has not been water washed yet, so what I wanted to ask you is, please give your introduction about you and the bike, how it came to me and what made you bring the bike to me.
5 years back, I took my bike to Vijayawada for registration of papers. I kept the bike at my friend's house. He was not able to start the bike. So the bike has been idle for nearly 5 years. So during COVID, my friends wanted to start the bike and run the bike. And what actually happened is he gave the bike to a mechanic, a normal mechanic, not a bullet mechanic. And when he gave the bike, the guy was affected by COVID, and he had to close the shop for 2 months. After 2 months, the mechanic closed the shop and disappeared with the bike. So eventually I had to go to Vijayawada from Hyderabad
To hunt the bike
to
basically.
hunt the bike basically. So eventually I found the bike 100 kilometers from Vijayawada at a place called Dharma Jipet. My bike was inside a grass shed and it was completely covered with grass. He has hidden the bike. Along with this bike, he has hidden 4 or 5 bikes in a grass shed. So eventually I got hold of him and he gave my bike back. This gearbox was open and the complete bike was rusted.
So just to let you guys know that this kick was original. He had literally stolen these three things, because all these three things had part numbers, which is basically made in England. The silencer got rusted. I will show the previous video as well, update the things, and the wiring was eaten up. The wheel assembly was totally conged off. As you can see, we had to, I mean, like, we've gone through a lot many worse situation. In the transport, this entire thing had got disturbed. The alignment has gone bad. I did not wanted to open this rear fender and adjust it all by myself, because if you can see, the tire is cross. I mean, like, tire is this side and the fender is this side, moved on the left side. We've struggled. I had to literally struggle a lot. These pads were removed. The clutch assembly was open and the clutch plates were replaced. I don't know for what reason he did. The headlight was totally bad. The handle got rusted. The speedometer was changed by that guy. What else? If you can see the condition of the cylinder head, the timing chest. Now you guys must be surprised to see this. Yeah, the gearbox was totally empty, so I had topped up with the gearbox treatment and as well as the gear oil. For this I have used a slow speed gear oil, which is 460 grade, and I have not touched anything. But yes, the timing was out. The timing chest, I had opened the timing chest, corrected the timing. Luckily this guy did not remove the original timing gears. I don't know for what donkey reasons he had. When he had actually opened, the gearbox was totally disturbed. The settings were out. Now he doesn't want to go ahead and change the entire outlook. That one fine day I have to take this and do the entire take it to a spa and give it a spa treatment. In a due course of starting the bike, we forgot to change this rubber sleeve. The carburetor was totally screwed, literally screwed, because that guy had ridden this bike on tarpon oil. So I have changed I had a carburetor with me, so I've switched the carburetor. The wiring is brand new. The best part is this bike would start without the battery also, with a latest wiring, and the generator is 3 wire, but the wiring harness is of 4 pin latest 202M which we've used. This was broken, so I had a spare light which I had replaced it. So these are the new things right now. These were not on the bike. These are from my stock. The entire kit, this is from the bike only. Had to beat with my hand and bring the shape of this. Fix the pads all by myself inside the house. No difference in terms, like these pads are not the old pads. These are the latest pads. Sorry, if you can see, the logo itself says. Now back to Mr. Amit. Now kindly tell me, what is your opinion after so many years?
My bike is running well from the past 2-3 days. Faisal has repaired completely. This rim had gone, it was rusted. All the spokes were rusted, and this is a new one. It is Omesh. Inside the rods were rusted, and these were also rusted. The screws were also rusted. I had concealed shock absorbers. They are also in a rusted state now. This was rusted. This has been chromed. It's an old one. We got chrome done. This is also this was rusted. The spokes were rusted. So from the past 2 days I have been running my bike and happy with it. It's running very well. Only it looks a little shabby and dirty, but for me it's firing very well. It's starting like butter. So I'm happy.
Yeah, in the time of getting the wheel work done, we had to struggle a lot. The guy who had actually done the job had actually flicked this piece. This is very difficult to be traced out, so somehow I had contacts where I could manage to get one, but of course that was not on a goodwill. It was on a payable side. Yeah, these shocks are the new shocks, and his double dust cover shocks are pretty much in a very bad condition. We'll do the rest of the touch ups and finishing in the slow pace. Anything you would like to say before we end up the?
I'm very happy with what Faisal has done to my bike. My bike is running after nearly 5-6 years. So from the past 2 days, from morning up till evening, I am riding my bike. Nearly, I think 150 to 100 kilometers I have done. It's running very well. Only thing I have to do is just wash it. I'll wash it someday, but engine wise, look wise, I'm happy with it. It's my Bullet.
Yeah. So thank you. God bless you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.